literally got to the point now where we can see over the clouds. If I'd slipped off, it'd take a while to hit bottom, wouldn't it? This is a Col de la Machine. It's a new day, Mediterranean. Absolutely fantastic. Je m'appelle Pooley on the Deauville. You got this massive body of water that is Lake Geneva. We're in a different country. We've just gone international, haven't we? I'm crying. Fantastic! Absolutely fantastic, that. Looks refreshing, even on a bit of a cloudy day. Dip my feet in maybe, if we do go down there. Verdon, Montdenier. What's that mean? What's that mean, mate? Absolutely fantastic view. Lovely. Fantastic. Look at this. Loving it. Got to stop for plenty of pictures, haven't you, on an adventure like this? Quite enjoying using the old 360 camera for pictures. It might not be as cutting edge as a smartphone camera, as like quality wise, but the fact that it can get all the way around you, it's yeah, it's pretty good. Quite enjoying it. It's not as difficult to get pictures taken of yourself now, or with your mate. Especially with the other stick for it. It's got like little feet on it. Fantastic. Got some decent pickies with it though. Made some good memories. But I want to be making memories of slurping an Café Americano, s'il vous plaît, right now. Ada's flipping getting his lean on, look, flipping it, look at that. Oh, I just had a big spot of rain on my visor. Not ideal. No, no, no. Oh, flipping it. Front wheel skipped a bit then. Flipping heck. I'm blaming the rain, even though it's not wet on floor yet. I went down like a little recess in tarmac. Skipped a little bit. Bit of a skip. Not a problem for the almighty Deauville though. It's flipping handle anything, this. I've only had about 3 spots of rain. Oh no, that's 4 spots of rain on my visor. It's not the end of the world just yet. That's tomorrow. Oh no, not tomorrow. In a few days when I have to go back to UK, where it'll be raining every day. Something I've not missed, the bloody weather. Because it's usually shite back at home. We've been very lucky with weather actually. It's been scorching hot some of these days, absolutely scorching. Very sticky days. Today it's a bit cooler, got some cloud coverage. Nothing wrong with that though. Nothing wrong with that. Going through like a little forest at the minute. Very nice, very nice. A very French forest this. Very French. It's a very French road. And that's because we are in La Française. It's starting to rain! No! Ah, it's going through me jacket already! It's like bloody fishnet tights, this jacket is. What's going on? I could see a bit of blue sky there. Let's park under that. Up there. It's only over there, look. About 30 feet over there. Oh, they don't work in feet, do they, in France? Or in Europe? It's all meters. Everything's in bloody meters. What's that all about? Go on, let's stop for a coffee. Let's stop for a coffee. Pretty please. I need a refreshment. Everyone's on Beamers these days, look. It's another one. It's another flipping K1600 or whatever it is. Go on, mate. Hurry up. Hurry up, shag. Shall we zip past him here? Enter warp drive. Look at that. Pulls your arms out of the sockets. Oh, you can't deny it. It's a flipping dragster, this thing. One of them Hayabusas with long swinging arm. It's basically the same thing as this. You have to have reinforced shoulders so they don't pop out. Oh no, not... Stop spitting, stop it! The smell of petrichor in the air. Or is that the name of the smell petrichor? The smell of wet tarmac. Petrichor. It's like the best word I know. Apart from Deauville. The old Road 5 should handle a bit of wet quite nicely, to be honest. Plan for worse, hope for best. Worst was wet roads, so Road 5s went on. Quite happy with how they perform in wet. Although I'll not be scraping my exhaust on wet roads. It might do less damage. Oh, actually, it wouldn't. You'd be off. Flipping rain. Rain, rain, go away. Come back another day. That's how it goes, innit? I skipped that class at nursery. I only know Humpty Dumpty. Go on, there's got to be a coffee dispensary. That picture's got like a knife and a fork and a little slice of pizza. Look at this, we've got some right old bangers. Oh yes, the flipping Mark 1 Clio. Oh yes, time for a cafe. That's the kind of top box you need on your bike, that yellow thing. Good God, get a life raft in that. The never-ending fun game of trying to turn heavy bikes around. It's always an absolute pain in the arse. Must have seen that Royal Enfield about 4 times now. I think we're stuck in a loop. The simulation's broke. Get a bonnet in there. And bonnet. Stick it on top of my helmet. Go on then. Cheers, Shag. Oh, this parking space is for people with chairs with wheels. Look at this, we've got some bloody UK plates here. Glamper UK. Flipping more like get out of the way. Look at this, state of this, some twisters and we've got a bloody camper van in way. Horrendous. Bloody UK plates out here. Thought we were only ones. Look at that. Alright folks, I didn't get a chance to have a dip in it. Stopped for a with detour. We stopped for a bit of lunch. Spot of lunch. It's only 12:15 local. They do some good baguettes in flipping France, don't they? I mean, you expect that anyway, but flipping out, they're like the size of your arm. Go on, let's have it. Let's have it. There's no coming. Have it. Have it. Flipping. They might subscribe to the channel, they'll see the thing on back. They'll be like, oh, it's from UK, he is. Representing the UK, us. Absolutely fantastic.